Kano State Police Command has detained Aliyu Madaki, a member-elect representing Dala Federal Constituency on the platform of the New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP). The State Police Public Relations Officer, SP Abdullahi Kiyawa, confirmed the detention of Madaki in a statement on Wednesday. It was gathered that Aliyu Madaki honored the invitation of the police after his picture brandishing a gun during a homecoming rally of the presidential candidate of the NNPP, Rabiu Kwankwaso, went viral on social media. The police spokesman stated that Aliyu Madaki is currently at the State Criminal Investigation Department and investigation is ongoing. Please subscribe to this channel, Newspop NG, for more updates. Like and share the video and drop your comments down in the comment section. I am Aliyu Madaki. Thanks for watching.